How to make a wasp spray with dish detergent. Wasps may be considered a social insect, but wasps are not often pleasant social acquaintances for humans. Wasps are territorial and attack, chase away and sting humans who come too close to their nests. Wasps are easily deterred or eliminated with insecticides or professional exterminations. However, you can save money and prevent you and your family from being exposed to harmful chemical pesticides by making up your own non-toxic wasp spray. This type of spray is made up of simple ingredients found around the house, such as dish detergent. Things you'll need: 20 ounces spray bottle, measuring spoons, dish detergent, mint essential oil, water. Gather the ingredients and materials you need to prepare your homemade wasp spray. Remove the spray top from the bottle and add 5 tb/s liquid dish detergent to the spray bottle. Measure and add 1 teaspoon mint essential oil to the spray bottle. Fill the spray bottle to the 20 ounces mark with water. Replace the spray lid on the top of the bottle, making sure the lid is secure on the bottle. Shake the bottle gently to combine all the ingredients of your homemade wasp spray. Spray the homemade insecticide directly onto individual wasps as well as bees, hornets and yellow jackets to kill or discourage the wasps from lingering around your living space. This spray may also be used on the wasps' nests, however, spray the nests only at night when the wasps are inactive and less likely to attack. Tips: Warnings. Always exercise caution when dealing with wasps or other stinging insects. If the wasp infestation is heavy or if you must spray an entire wasp's nest, consider enlisting the help of a professional exterminator. Wasps are likely to attack, even if they are inactive inside a nest, and this can be a painful and dangerous situation.